Hello guys, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you that how CSS works with the tags and the types of the CSS. CSS allow you to specify how each HTML element is present to the user. HTML is quite limited when it comes to the appearance of its elements. This is not so good if you're trying to give a website a unique look and feel, or you are trying to uh, add here to complete corporate identity, but it's not the purpose of the HTML to do such things. CSS stands for cascading style sheet, and it's supposed to enable web authors, designers to apply styles across their websites. With CSS you can specify many styles properties of any given HTML elements. Each property has the name and the value separated by colon. Each property declaration is separated by a semicolon. Like this, I'm going to show you. We have added attribute in our previous video. This is an attribute, and this is our value. And I'm gonna add some more tags to show you that how it will works, like colors and font sizes also. This is our declaration of CSS, and this is our property, and this is our value, and all the properties and values separated by a colon, and then mm, semicolon. So it's very easy to describe the style. The type of which I'm using is inline style. So inline styles, which inline styles can be quick, convenient way to add styles to an HTML document. This method should be used sparingly. Adding inline styles all over the website can make it much more difficult to maintain. A small change can become a major undertaking if the style has been applied to many pages across the site. Some of the rare cases we can use inline styles, like uh, we can use the inline style in our email templates or email signatures. That's uh, that's very useful for email templates and the email signatures, and the PDF generation, and uh, Excel file generation and Word file generation. So we also add inline style in our each element. So embedded style, and a step up from inline styles when it comes to maintainability. Embed styles are added to the head, like this, style tag, and then we can add some CSS here. Element of the document or a no script element, like no script, that's nested within a head element, and can contain all or at least most of the styles of the document. This can make the document a bit easier to maintain, especially if it contains many styles. To add embedded style to a web page, enclosure the styles between style tag. Suppose I'm gonna style some heading one. I'm gonna add color, for example black. Black is also default. I'm gonna add red color. Also I'm gonna body. And these are the global classes that I am using to um, simply as a tag, like body tag, that's a selector for the body, and the h1 tag is for the selector of h1. All the css that I have declared in that section, it will effect in our heading 1 tag, and all the css that I have described in for example background color should be black. It will affect our all body elements which contain our HTML tags. So I'm gonna reload it and show you how they will work. So here we go. We have the background black, and then our heading is the red color, and the hyperlink is white color. So these are the selectors, and now I'm gonna use an ID to access a tag to style. For example, so font size should be 18 pixel, and I'm gonna use this ID in our paragraph here. ID, sorry, ID. It will this font size will affect this. I'm gonna color it white for seeing in the background. This is our paragraph. It will affect the intro ID. This is our intro ID. It will affect our p tag with the intro ID. Also we can declare a class to use the, for example, we have created a button in the class btn, something like background color is white, is black, maybe white, because we have the background color black, and then color should be black. Also some border radius is 24 pixel. Font size should be 14 pixel, and add some padding with 24 pixel and 10 pixel. This button, once we class means we can add this in multiple tags like this. Classes, I have already described the class, so I'm gonna remove the first. So this is our class. We don't have any text. Text is white. I'm gonna remove it. style here. This will fit here. This is our first button. We can use this class in multiple places. Oh, tags. This is our button. This is also our button. Yeah. So the third one that is recommended from my side, uh, external style. Describe some external style. Like I'm gonna copy this and create a new file here with the style.css extension, and then paste here all the codes, and then we remove this and link the style here, style.css. It will definitely work in our external style. We need to add type text slash css. So this is our external style. Taking it a step further, you can put all your styles into the external style. External style refers to create a separate file that contain all the style information like this. So this file is then linked to from many HTML pages as you like. Suppose we have created index HTML and then created our contact us, about us page, and then we have created our contact us page. We can use all the CSS in our each document like this. Link style like this. So it's very easy and handy tool for using external style. And to add an external style to a web page, use the link tag. Provide the URL as I've shown in our example. For example, following example, I was taking this style from the above embedded example, move them to a external style sheet, then link it to the file. It's very handy and useful. So you can see the HTML file no longer contain any actual CSS code. The CSS code is located in the external file. You can also import it in the style, like add import and then style.css and save it. It will automatically import all the CSS in our document. That is the fourth rule, to import the CSS. So note that this method can be effective to our web page performance, and it's often more efficient to use the first method with the link tag. However, the import tool can also be used for within the external style. Like Suppose we have created a multiple css files and add a file, add our every style like buttons, like um, hyperlink styles and responsive styles. We can also import here in the external style. In order to import any other style sheet into that one without incurring the same performance issue, you can also describe some selectors here, IDs or class or so. That's all for now. Hope you guys see you in my next lecture. I will describe some uh, HTML links or the colors that we can use in our styles. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I will see you in our next tutorial.